First, measure the weight of cylinder rack. Pour the sand into the sand cone apparatus until it full, and level the surface. Measure the weight of cone apparatus with sand that had filled. Next, place the cone apparatus with sand on the tray, open the valve at the apparatus and let the sand flow from the apparatus to the tray. After the flow stops, close the valve. Measure the weight of apparatus. After that, take the apparatus filled with sand cone test site. Clean the sand surface from grass before dig a hole. Then, dig a hole in the form prescribed by the depth of 150 mm and the surface must be flat within. At the same time, put the soil from the hole into the tray to determine the soil moisture and soil bulk density. Place the cone in the center hole of tray and open the valve so that sand flows down to the hole. Measure the cone apparatus with sand after filled the hole. Finally, take the lighter soil mixture and put into rack and measure it. Then, put in oven for 24 hours to get a reading of the dry soil with grating to obtain the soil moisture.